Hello, this is Sabir Ahmed. Today I am going to tell you how to use this pocket command in 3D modeling structure or body. So I am going to create a 2D sketch using rectangular. As you can see in my video, I constrain it by choosing two lines, vertical lines, and giving allowing symmetric, and again choosing vertical axis. As you know, to give a dimension we have to choose this constraint and then give the vertical and horizontal direction, dimensions. Now I am exiting this workbench. First of all, to give this pocket command I have to use the pad command. This is not a error, you just have to click OK. Now I am giving 35 as a pad length, or I can use this thickness, or I can use mirror. Another option is the first limit and second limit from the center axis. And now I am going to give this pocket. To give this pocket, just first we can't give the direct dimensions, but we have to choose the location about the point where I had created the circle. Now I am just cancelling it, and I am going to sketch. Now I am creating a circle at center. Now give the constraint dimension as 20. Now exit workbench. Now you are available to give this pat command. As you can see here, pat command, just click on the pocket definition and click the mode, and I am giving the depth of this pocket is 35 from the center in both directions. As you can see here, reverse direction, and then click OK. Now cancel it. Now I am going to rotate this 3D body. The problem in rotating this body is I did not update the 3D structure, so I did not able to rotate the body. Now what you have to do is, but you can use fitting option to come in exact position. Now after clicking on the fit tool, I am going to use this rotation option. See, similar problem I am getting from this rotating the body. You can use, if you have keyboard, by clicking Control and left click or scroll click of your mouse, then it will rotate. To rotate this manually, we have to use this command called rotate command. Now I have updated this body. Now I am going to use this rotation. Similarly, if you get any error, try to repeat the command so that you can able to experience well in creating the 3D body, so that you can't get demotivated in learning Catia V5. Now after that I can able to rotate the body. Now I'm going back to this pocket command. just cancel it. Click on the plus option. You can see structure tree and click on the pocket command. You can use reverse direction. If you want complete hole, you can use reverse direction. Click Ctrl Z to undo it. Now I am going to use this pocket command again. Just mirror element and it will extend. Now you have to create in anti-clockwise direction, reverse direction. Now to give the complete hole, I am going to change the dimensions. For the sake you take 70. Now I get the complete hole in the 3D body model. Now again I am going to draw another circle in side view. Just go to the fit all, can get this position. Now I am creating a body. Now I am giving the dimensions of 20 diameter. Now exit and choose the pocket definition. As you can see in video, I am using the reverse direction. When I am using this reverse direction, you can see I can remove this part and modify the only considering the diameter of dimensions 35. Instead of that, this reverse side, you can give the dimensions on both sides. Just preview it. If it will not come, just remove this mirror extend. Give the reverse direction. Now it will created the hole, and just giving the from one side view. Now go to the pocket command. Just remove the normal to profile. Now you can see that I am creating the hole in 2D structure. If you are not subscribed my channel, please follow the subscribe button. Click the notification to get some another latest videos about Catia training or tutorials. I am now uploading this Catia V5 tutorials from basic to the complex modules. Now I am creating one line from top side up to a certain angle. Now I am exiting workbench. Now you can see for the circle you get the pocket command without selecting the profile. Now I am selecting the line as a reference. Now you can see it created the hole, that is groove hole. You can see this groove hole. If you want to see this groove hole, I am going to this. Now I'm giving the dimensions of 50. If I use this reverse side, always I can create this body without first body. Now you can see this side view. I've created a hole. Now also you can give this thickness. Now again I am creating one circle sketching. Go to this and use this one circle. Dimensions of 10. Now exit the workbench. Now click on the thickness option. Now you can give thickness according to your accuracy. Now I have given this thickness 1 and thickness 2 as 5 mm. You can also use neutral fiber. Now I am taking the circle from the center and giving the dimensions as 10, and again I am adjusting this workbench. Now give the thickness 5 mm and thickness 2 as 5 mm. Now you can see this. I created the hole on the 3D body. Also you can use this thickness by using on the side option as much as possible you want. Now I am increasing the thickness 1. As you can see in video, the thickness is going to reduce. Now this becomes small hole. So in this way you can use these pocket definitions while creating the pockets in 3D structure at any angle. Now for more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.